Hi, welcome to this educational video. In this part, I want to teach you how to turn real pictures that took with cameras or artistic portraits into the pictures that look like paintings, as if they were drawn with a pencil and pen. In fact, converting real image into the black and white paintings in completely natural way that can be applied to any type of character or landscape. This method has many types. Thank you for paying attention and stay with me. So in the next exercise, I want to teach you convert the portrait image into black and white, like last exercise. Okay, press Ctrl plus J to your layer to duplicate, to create a new duplicate. And my duplicate layer 1 is here. Go to the adjustment and create a new here and saturation. Look at this setting. Don't change anything, just go to saturation and put it to -100. Very good, that's enough. And don't change anything. After that, come back to your main layer number 1 and go to image, adjustment, and invert your layer number 1. Shortcut it becomes Ctrl plus I. Okay, I inverted. Congratulations. After that, change your mode to color dodge. Then click it. As you see, all of my picture full white and don't scurry. Now I want to go to filter and go to the blur. The famous filter in blur group in Gaussian blur. Very nice. I set it, for example, to 15. It's good, but not very good, not very well. I set it to 10. It's better. Some picture need a little reduced pixel in Gaussian blur. Some picture not. They need to a lot of reduce in Gaussian blur. In this picture, I have a lot of details, a lot of point, and be remember every picture different by another picture. It's important. Do not apply the same numbers to all image. It's a big mistake if you do it. Don't apply the same numbers to all images. So I try 9. Yeah, 9 is okay. I think 9 is enough. So I click OK. After that, I go to the adjustment and create a brightness and contrast adjustment. Okay. My brightness put to -50 and my contrast +50. Okay, and I set it to -30. I think it's better. So for this picture, I create a new adjustment, level, and set it to 1. Just put it 1. It's better. And this is it's 1 and it's 255. Don't change anything. It's good. After that, I come back to my main layer and click to this. Now I want to merge all the adjustment layers and my main layers together. If you remember, the shortcut it's become Ctrl plus Shift plus I plus E. Very good. I create a new flattened layer by this shortcut. I put it top of every layer it is. OK. I change this name to, for example, nice name. Good. So I right click on it and go to the convert to smart object. Now if I make a change or add a filter from now and I want to remove it, I can remove it very easily by convert to smart object. Now I'm going to filter, noise, and I click to add noise. 9.9 or 9. I see to preview or 8 or 10. It's full of noise and not very well. 8.5, but uniform description. Okay, I click OK. Now I have a little noise in my paper. So I go to the filter and sharpen and smart sharpen. 80 is good, but 25 reduce and click OK. Give time to your Photoshop for changing very well. Okay, I want to change my mood layer. It's normal, but I think lighten or colorful. I think darker color is the best one. Now I can decrease a little fill and a little opacity. Good. A new group. I choose every layer by press shift and create a new group. So it's before, it's a portrait picture, and it's after. You can see beautifully that's the live and real image become the old painting in the hundreds of years old books. In this picture, it's before and after. Now, even I can create a new text. For example, I want to write a text like peaceful. Okay, I put it, and by double click on it, I set my drop shadow and inner glow. Okay, I want to add some noise in my text. Go to the filter, noise, and add noise. Photoshop say to me this layer must be realizable, and then convert to smart object. I can change more than 200, then click OK. Yeah, it's noisy. And for past exercise, I create a new group. I press shift and I create a new group for my picture. Then it's before and this after. You can see the beautiful that live and real image becomes old paintings. At the end of this video, I must tell you that this technique can be applied to most image, and changing the amount of filter on the image depends on your own taste. It's important to pay attention to the small points in this technique, and you should use it as much as possible. You can filter an opacity image so that the image looks natural and you really think that a painter draw it with a pencil on white paper. Yeah. I hope you like this video and it can be used for all of your art projects. I hope this. Thank you and thanks goodness.